Hello Solidworks users. In today's video, we will model the part, shown on the right, and use the rib feature in Solidworks. So let us begin by creating a new Solidworks document. We will select a new part document. It is always a good idea to check the units you're working with. In this case, we want to use millimeters. We will begin modeling the part by creating the base in the top plane. Let us sketch the outline in the top plane. Draw a rectangle that is 30 mm long and 20 mm deep. We will also use center lines to position this rectangle, so that our sketch is fully defined. Now we will complete the outline, using the Line command and Trim Entities tool. We will use symmetry constraints to position this outline with respect to the center lines. It is time to extrude the sketch for a thickness of 5 mm. We will sketch the quadrilateral at the back, and also extrude it, for a thickness of 5 mm. Using Smart Dimensions and Trim Entities tool, we will finish this quadrilateral. While extruding, check for the direction of extrusion, to ensure accuracy. Now we will create the sketch for the rib feature. We will use a reference plane that is 10 mm away from the rightmost edge of the part. Sketch a line on this plane that will represent the side view of the rib. Let us hide the plane that we just created and use the rib feature. Ensure the correct direction for the thickness of the rib, in this case, to the left of the line drawn, and extrusion pointed towards the part. And thus, we have used the rib feature to model a part in Solidworks. Thank you for watching, and make sure to leave a comment. If you enjoyed the video, hit the like button. Make sure to subscribe for more content. You can also follow me on Instagram, Facebook and Twitter.